Hello everyone, and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today I'll be walking you through how to make a contact sheet in Photoshop, step by step. A contact sheet is a great way to organize and view all your photos at once, especially helpful for photographers working with large sets of images. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, make sure you've saved all the images you want on your computer in a single folder. Once you have them ready, open Photoshop and go to the top menu. Select File, then Automate, and click on Contact Sheet 2. This is where we'll set up our contact sheet. Step 2. In the Contact Sheet 2 settings, you'll see an option to choose your source images. Under Source Images, select Folder, then click on Choose to locate the folder where you saved your images. After selecting your folder, click Open to confirm. Take a quick look to make sure it's showing the correct folder at the top. Step 3. Once everything looks good, click OK to generate your contact sheet. You'll see Photoshop working as it arranges each image into the contact sheet. This may take a few moments, especially if you're working with a large set of photos. You'll see each image filling in on the layout as Photoshop finishes creating the sheet. Step 4. When the contact sheet is done, you can go ahead and save it. Go to File, then Save As, and name your sheet if needed, then save it to your desired location. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.